Are you fine there?
Yes, sir.
Me also fine. Are you happy today?
Yes, sir.
So which class is this?
6.
Okay, what are you learning now?
Sir, we are learning
Okay, so this is a form. So have you seen such types of forms?
No, sir.
All of you open that, you please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So what is written there on the top? Admission form. So have you ever seen such forms?
No, sir.
No. So such forms, can you guess where we can find such forms?
Sir, admission in schools.
Good, admission in school.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
before you come to this school, before you enroll in class, so such forms are filled, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Why do you think people fill such types of forms?
For introduction.
Good. For introduction. Any other? Very good. Information, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, information. So now I provide you 2 minutes of time. You both of you talk each other what is needed there and fill it. Okay?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
What to do you know?
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me what to do now? To discuss with your pair and to fill the form. So choose which information is to be written there. Her information or her information, no problem. One of your information write down there, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes? May I say start?
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3. You can talk each other and fill. Leave it. Leave it. Yes, yes. Okay. Leave it.
Sir, here is written the guardian's name.
Guardian's name?
We have to write the guardian's name. His or his parents.
Guardian means if your father and mothers are working far away and you are living here with your aunt, uncle, like that, guardian, right? So if your father and mother are here, write your father or mother's name.
Sir.
Just a minute, just a minute. Means job. What is the job? Yes.
Sir, email. Sir.
Email, if no, leave it.
Sir, finish. Sir, listen to the time.
Email address. Like my email address this is.
Sir.
Okay. Please look. This is nationality. It is Nepali. Yes. Yes. Another one. My email address. Look. bissakrem@hotmail.com. This is email address. Time, okay? This time, if you don't have. So which group has finished?
Sir, one question to the side.
Finished? Good. You please keep it safe.
Sir,
I will. I hope. Yes. Means you are. Yes. Means your father or mother. Oh yes. No problem. Yes. SLC. Pass. Means you are not sure what is the relation between. Yes, got this relation. Okay. Maybe mother, maybe father, aunt.
Excuse me, sir.
If your mother works in office name right now. If no leave, outside. Okay, you have also finished? Good. Two pairs have finished. Okay, 3 pairs. Yes. Guardian's name. means mother or father's name. Yes, please. Means if your mother is working, office name and address. Guardian means who is your guardian, mom, mother or father? Who comes to receive your result? Who is right mother? Leave it.
Sir, finish.
Good job. You also did a good job. Qualification means education.
Yes.
Yes. Email address. If you remember, right. Otherwise, leave. Yes. Then good. Guardian's name means who comes to receive your result here in school. That is. No problem. Finished? Guardian relation means who are you of this person. Okay, good. Finished? Wow. Many of the boys have finished. Good job. Good. Yes, this group. One of the boys group pair and another girls pair will get on. Okay. Okay. Dear students, who has written will sit there and who has not written will come here and present. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. Almost all of you finished.
Yes, sir. One or two are also.
Okay. If you don't remember, leave, no problem. Finish, good. Just a minute, you can say just a minute. Okay. Okay. Do you want to ask any extra questions?
No, sir.
Yes.
Sir, if we didn't do the actual office name of chapter, we can leave it.
Leave it. But here you can leave. But you have to go to your home, go back and fill it asking your parents. Okay? Yes.
Sir, yes, sir, is the child.
Who is your guardian? Your father? Your mother? Who is? Mother, then you are the son of your mother, right? Yes, that is. Okay, dear students. Okay, from there, both of you want to come or only one? Okay, please. In this way, you will present it. Look here once. Once, please. Yes. Okay, come here both. So look, this is admission form. Admission form. This is in this way you present. Okay. Okay. All you will say. Okay. So please. Now.
Admission for 6B. Name of the child Aryan Giri. Gender male. Date of birth 2065. 6th month. 10 day. Place of birth Surkhet. Nationality Nepal. Nepali. Father's name Krishna Giri. Address Itram Surkhet. Mobile number 9849969423.
Okay. Can you change the tone? Can you give tone to your friend? Half of the part. Okay. Loudly.
ISC pass.
Okay. ISC pass.
Business political leader. Mother name Giri. Address Surkhet. Mobile number 984996.
Okay.
Qualification ISC pass. Business level shop. Guardian name Giri. Relation with the child mother. Address Surkhet. Mobile number 9969.
Finished? Thank you. Okay, please come here. Both of you come here. And 50 Present 50-50 part, okay? Okay. So the pair which pair listens clearly or silently will get on, okay? Yes? Hello? Okay, which create not listening well will not get on. So listen them well, okay? Yes, please.
Admission for grade 6D. Name of the child Suprabha Bhasnet. Gender female. Date of birth 2065. 11 months 24 days. Place of birth Baskari. Age Beloli Badia. Nationality Nepal. Nepali. Father's name Nepal Bhasnet. Address Kalagaon Virendra Circuit. Telecom low mobile 9847989500. Email data@gmail.com. Qualification IST.
Good.
Teacher office name Bhagwati. Madhyamik Prathamic School office address Kusi Jawparika Jajalpur. Mother name Gita Kumari Sai. Address Baskari 8 Belani Korbia. Mobile number 9847989500. Gita Sai gmail.com. Qualification ISMA. Occupation teacher. Office name Bunch of Kari Prathamic School. Office address Kusi Jawparika Sri Jajalpur. Guardian name Savitra Khatri. Lesson with the sister. Address Kalagopur Virendra Circuit. Mobile number 9847989500. Email Suparva Bhasnet @gmail.com.
It is good. Okay, sit down. Okay.
Admission for 6G. Name of the child Anupam Kesarbanas. Gender male. Date of birth day hosted. Month December year 2009. Place of birth Suket. Nationality Nepali. Father's name Chiranjeevi Kesarbanas. Address Utram Suket. Mobile number 9858038771. Father qualification SLC pass. Office name Motor Supply. Office address Virendra Nagar.
Mother name Durga Pauri Khanal. Address Vikram Suket. Mobile number 9848097122. Mother qualification SLC pass. Occupation housewife. Father guardian name Chiranjeevi Kesar Khanal. Relation comes from address Vikram Suket. Mobile number 9848038771.
Thank you very much. And now, can you fill the admission form yourself?
Yes.
Okay, I will provide you another piece. Who has not filled it, you fill it and bring it Sunday, okay? All right? Do you have any question?
No, sir.
Not. Okay, let me ask them. So please, can you stand? Once. Okay, you please stand up. Okay. Yes. What do you write in nationality? What do you write there? What do you write? Nepali. Very good. Sit down. Okay, you please stand up. So, what do you write the admission for? There.
6B.
6B. Your class, right? Good job. Anyone? Next one. Just a minute. Okay, you please. What do you write here in mother's name?
Mother's name Alisa Patil.
Good, very good. Okay, you have already been participated. Who has not? Okay, yes. You please. What do you write your mother's qualification? Good, BSc. All right. So anyone there? Anyone? Yes, please. What is your father's mobile number?
9848118368.
Good job. All right, sit down. Thank you very much. You have learned how to fill the form today. So let's clap for ourselves.